Hello, future designers. So, welcome to another tutorial. So, in this lesson, we'll actually learn to build the UI. So, this is what we'll be actually do, we will be doing. We'll be doing. Okay. So, the brand screen. Select this. Checkout, and then this should be the last screen. So, about four screens. Okay. So, we'll be using Wizard. So, Wizard helps us to quickly prototype our ideas. So, it's for non-designers. Okay. So instead of Figma, this time around we'll be using Wizard. So you would have to log in or register at Visit. So you would have to visit this link here. Okay. And then I have a dark theme, so you can actually change it by going here. Not this. You would actually have to go to your name here, and then if you toggle the switch, okay. I like the dark theme. Okay. So the light is easy on my eyes. Okay. So now when you're done, you go to projects. And then remember, Wizard gives you there's a free version, okay. So the free version gives you three projects. So there's one project, another project, and then there'll be another. So only three projects, and then each of these three projects, you only have 10 screens to create. To like 10 screens, okay. So I already have this. So you would have to click on create new screen. It will bring you to this page, and then since you can choose any of the templates here, but would want to build from scratch. So you click on create and then you select mobile. Okay. So yeah, so this is the mobile version. Okay. But since I already have my project, I'm going to be using this project. And then we'll look onto this project to help us design our UI. Okay. So that said, let's get started. So first we'll be doing the brand screen. So all I have to do is to just click on add screen. If you are new, you already have one screen on you. So since I already have screens, I'm going to add screen. So by clicking on add blank screen, okay, I'm going to pull this down. Let's bring it down here. Okay, so it's actually going to help me to view. I just want to have it like aligned with this one, the brand screen. So this is my brand screen. So all I have to do, so this is the shape. We have different tools here. Okay. So when I pick this shape, I'm going to for this card white, and then anything you pick, okay, on the right side, it will have its property that you can actually work on or tweak. Okay. So the fill side, I'm going to click on fill and then choose this color. Okay. Um, see the color code because of the colors I've used these colors, which is why they are listed here. Okay, so the history of colors that I've used. Okay, so my color palette. But for you, you'd have to actually use this code, this color code. So you paste that's 3CBD48 into this section to this field to get the same color code. Then all I have to do is to just stretch. Okay, I'll stretch this. I'm going to stretch this one too. And then pull this up. And then now we want the icon. So the logo. Okay, so the brand screen. So our logo, I'm going to let's go to template. Okay, and I'm going to select this. I'm going to bring down. Okay, so we need only one of these images. Okay, so I can just delete all of these. Then I'm going to select this one. Bring it here. Okay, so it's centered. And then I would go to the text tool here and then pick any of the text tools. So let's look for, so let's use header. Okay, and then I'm going to type, so the name of your project, the name of your app. Okay, so this is an e-commerce app. Okay, so I'm going to type kingdom kingdom plantai. And those who did science, I think you can relate with this kingdom plantai. I don't know if it's correct. We have kingdom, is it animalia or animalia? Okay, so yeah, So to align, to make sure they are perfectly aligned, I'll click this, hold shift and then select this to multi select, and then we have the alignment tools here. So I'll use this to make sure they are aligned. So you see it's well aligned. Okay, so it's well centered. That's with the text, and then I can double click on the text, and then in the color property I'll change the text color to white. Okay, so you can move this icon here to the top here, or you can select it so that you get white color. Okay, so this is the brand screen. Okay, you can rename it here. So let's say anything. Okay, let's use start screen. Okay, so there's our brand screen as we have here. So that said, I'll see in the next lesson where we'll actually learn to do this UI for the gallery screen. Okay, so thank you, and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.